welcome back from Thanksgiving break. We're back with another video.
Because we missed so much last week, we have a lot to cover.
This week we'll be covering football playoffs, senior pictures, and the online classes turkey elimination game.
But first, let's take it to Charlie and Kayla in the newsroom.
Welcome back, Rohogs. We're here to bring you with this week's news segment. Akayla, wake up. We gotta film this.
What do you mean? I'm trying to sleep from this Thanksgiving food coma.
Thanksgiving break is over with. It's time to film.
Oh my gosh, that break flew by quickly. Give me 1 second.
Much better. Welcome back, everyone. Let's take a little run on these past weeks. Football had their playoff game on Friday, November 16th, with a score of 761.
I feel like we had a great season, and they could do so many more great things as a team, and they're going to do even better next year when I'm gone.
On Thursday, November 15th, Theater Arts had their performance of The Tempest. They actually performed the Shakespearean play, The Renaissance Fair, in Houston.
Moving on, let's get into what the sports teams have accomplished this week. Girls basketball had a game Thursday, November 15th against John Paul. The Rohawks were defeated 39-51.
They also had a game against Nixon Smiley on Saturday, winning 51-21.
The swim team had a meet on Thursday, November 15th also.
The girls' team placed 4th and the boys' team placed 5th. Both teams combined placed 4th overall.
Bowling had a match on November 16th here at the Randolph Bowling Alley.
The boys' team did end up losing overall, but Jaden C. bowled a high of 204 and 236. Jared E. bowled a high of 146 and 156. Their current record is 0-3 against Steele. The girls' team lost overall, but Angelica H. bowled her highest of 203.
On Tuesday, November 27th, seniors got a chance to take their senior pictures.
Commercial photography actually started taking still lifes in class. Wow, that was a lot to cover.
I know, you're telling me I need to get back to my hibernation. That was too much.
Well, that's all we have for this week. I'm Charlie, and she's Akayla.
I'm Josiah.
Akayla.
Ow.
Akayla!
Back to you, Shia and Peyton.
Oh my gosh, I just took my senior pictures and I am so stressed out. They did not turn out the way I wanted them to.
When's the retakes?
That's a good question. Let me go ask Miss Rose.
Oh wait, have you heard about the online classes turkey elimination game?
Yeah, I have actually. And I may or may not know the anonymous person that started it all.
No way, spill.
Can't, but Kyla and Zoe can. Let's take it to this week's spotlight.
Wow, I can't believe Thanksgiving season's over.
I know, but one class took full advantage of the Thanksgiving season.
Let's go check it out.
Each week, they were able to vote for which turkey they wanted to stay.
I had a group of students come in and they just wanted to draw a hand turkey on the board, and then they made up some rules and it just kind of escalated from there, and it turned into this whole turkey fiasco. It was a lot of fun. The students really got into it. They came in every day. They were excited to see who got voted off. And after their turkeys got voted off, they actually drew headstones for their turkeys because they were sad to see them go.
In the classes, each student made a hand turkey and decorated it.
I love the hand turkey contest. I thought it was
a lot of fun being able to vote for everyone, being able to see like the creativity between everybody.
I really enjoyed the hand turkey contest. I looked forward to coming and like voting on who was gonna get taken away or who was gonna like stay up on the board and stuff. So.
I liked it a lot. I feel it got everyone who was in this class into like the holiday spirit, and I think it was a really interesting, creative way to get everyone involved into something, and it was fun. It was like something to look forward to.
Yes, definitely, because we could probably do like, we could go many ways, gingerbread, snowman, Christmas trees. I mean, it could go multiple ways.
I would. I think the kids enjoyed it so much that I think we should do gingerbread men or a sugar cookie.
Well, my turkey was big fella, and basically his thing was I tried tracing my hand, but I didn't want to get marker on my hand, so I just outlined around my hand, so he ended up being really big, so I called him big fella, but he didn't stay on the board very long because he wasn't that special. He was just fat.
But wait, where did this idea come from? After some digging, we finally found the person who came up with the whole turkey idea, but he wished to remain anonymous due to the suspense from the competition.
What gave you the idea of the turkey competition?
I was just chilling, and we were like, let's appreciate Thanksgiving. And me, Bailey, and Matthew Oakland drew hand turkeys, and then I decided to make it to a game.
How do you think it's going so far?
It's pretty cool, actually. I didn't think it was going to turn out as well as it did. We had 31 turkeys, and right now there's 3 left. So.
And does the winner get a prize or an award?
They get the honor of leaving their turkey on the board for like a week. I don't know, it's just kind of fun.
As each turkey is being eliminated, there can only be one winner. The winner was sophomore Kaylee Doolittle with her turkey Sir Gobbleton. Way to go, Kaylee.
I was kind of nervous for my turkey to win, but he really pushed through. Like, Sir Gobbleton really reigns. In the last part of the contest, it was between me and some other turkey. Well, Sir Gobbleton and another turkey. But Sir Gobbleton won by 1 point, and he really pulled through.
I can't believe Thanksgiving is over. What are you doing?
Duh, the smell of Christmas is right around the corner.
Okay, well, back to you, Shy and Peyton.
Okay, we all know it's Michael.
Oh my gosh, I knew that the whole time.
Sure you did.
Whatever. Anyway, as it gets closer to Christmas, cuffing season is in full swing. And if you're still single, Sky Spice has a way to get you cuffed. Literally.
Literally?
You'll see. Let's take it to Sky Spice.
It's cuffing season, which means students are looking for company to keep each other warm during the winter weather. This week, Sky Spies are going to be going undercover into the personal lives of students to try and find them their perfect match. Let the cuffing begin!
We blindfolded students and handcuffed them together, then revealed their perfect match. First up, we have a match made in heaven. Get ready to experience true love at its finest.
Wow. It did not fit on my arm, by the way. Technically.
You guys are soulmates.
Are we dating now?
I mean, I'm not in the handcuff.
But I think we're dating.
Hooray.
Next up, we formed a true power couple. Get ready to watch because their reactions are priceless. We paired up a couple that's sure to last through cuffing season. Get ready to watch some sparks fly. You guys are soulmates! I'm married. This unexpected match may be the best of all.
Who is this?
Hello.
How are you? Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good today.
I'm Michaela. What's your name?
My name is Z.
You guys are now married.
We're married? That's great.
Nice to meet you, Z.
Nice to meet you too.
Next up, we have a couple that no one will be expecting, but they still matter.
Okay, I see how it is.
We've been friends for quite a while, right?
Middle school?
Middle school.
Yeah.
We don't really talk anymore though.
No.
You can really feel the cosmic energy with this next couple.
Oh my god.
Are
you kidding me?
Once this couple looks at each other, you can see the stars align. This next couple we picked because of their personalities, and we can't wait to see where it goes.
Reveal! Your shirt is hot!
This couple will set the world on fire. Look how their worlds ignite when they make eye contact.
Match made! This match is perfect.
We made some soulmates today. Now back to you, Shy and Peyton.
Wow, that was surely something. I hope our Rohawks found their soulmates.
You saw it here first, folks. Randolph's very own power couples.
Well, that's all for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, don't forget to follow us on all social media at Rohawk Talk.
And we'll see you next time on Rohawk Talk. Bon voyage! Stop laughing. Okay.
Guys are going to be going undercover into the personal lives of
We're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Do. Give me a high five.
Then you could remember.
Wow.
Yikes.